Thank you so much. I have another question.
Sure.
To start to read Quran, it is mandatory. How much it important that to believe in either God is exist or not? How much is important to start to read?
Brother asked the question, what is mandatory to start reading the Quran? Nothing is mandatory. To read the Quran, you should have a desire to read the Quran. It is not compulsory to read the Quran. You should believe in God and then read the Quran. If you don't believe in God also, you read. Inshallah, you will start believing. So, for reading Quran, there is nothing mandatory. Only thing, you should have a desire to read. And when you read, your heart opens up. So that is the beauty of the Quran. The beauty of the Quran, there is nothing mandatory. Not that you should have a beard, not that you should wear a cap, nothing mandatory. Only thing you should have a desire to read. And when you read, then your heart opens up and you realize the truth. If you believe in it, then you accept it. If the Quran, what I'm talking about, all this thing I gave in the lecture. If you start believing, you accept it. But before reading, you don't have to accept anything. Once you accept it, then you agree with it. Once you agree, then you follow the guidance. Because once what you start believing, then you start following. If you believe in what you read, you believe in mathematics 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, then you agree with it, then you start believing in it, and then you practice it. The same thing in the Quran, when you read the Quran, it opens up the mind. And you come to know the truth and the reality, unlike any other book, which is more of a storybook fashion written by human beings. So that is the beauty of the Quran. It is the most positive book in the world. It is a proclamation for humanity. It is a fountain of mercy and wisdom. It is a warning to the heedless. It's a guide to the erring. It's the assurance to those in doubt. It's a solace to the suffering and a hope to those in despair. This is the beauty of the Quran.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I asked to many people this question, but right now I got the correct answer. There is no foundation. Thank you.
People
Thank you so
will
much.
tell you, you should be in wudu, you should be in this. That is afterwards. That is once you start respecting, you start doing other things. There is no requirement as long as you read and you come to the true path, because the Quran is a book of guidance to humanity. Have you read the Quran, brother? Have you read the Quran?
Sometimes.
Partly.
Yep.
Brother, do you believe that there is one God?
Yeah, I
What
believe.
you call it is different. But
Yeah.
you believe there is one God.
I believe in a one God.
Brother, do you believe that Prophet Muhammad is the messenger of God?
Not till now.
Not till now.
Yeah.
And I believe you're coming from a Hindu background.
Yeah, sometime. Means you can say. Because I believe in Hinduism also, Buddhism also. I read the many things from many different religion. So that's the thing only.